What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to be help prevent another yard from flooding by extending out their downspouts here, there, putting in a mini dry well and running out the downspout over there to the front of the house. So let's get right into it. All right, as you can see over here, we have two downspouts. We have the downspout coming off the little sunroom. We're going to be extending that underground, out here, going this way, tying this into it, going here, coming straight down, going across over to here, and 45ing it out to about where the cones are. We can't go all the way to the street over there because we have old trees and stumps and everything right there. So we're going to be ending that right there. Over here, all his pavers and everything are flooding. So what we're going to do is we're going to be digging a mini dry well right here and inserting a catch basin, so that way all the water can just flow freely off, go into the catch basin, into the mini dry well, and be off of his pavers so it doesn't keep getting discolored. On this side, we're going to be extending the downspout all the way over there, mini dry well, so the water can facilitate off of everything, go over there into that little depression area that he has, and he says the ground drains really good over there. So that's what we're going to be doing. On the excess dirt, I'm going to be building up all around up in here, so that way we can try to mitigate water from trying to go into his little well over there, because they did not put in a mini dry well or anything under any of this. So your window well, you want to make sure doesn't fill up. No water is getting into the house right now, but we want to keep it that way. So let's get started. All right, now we have the back left done. Everything is hooked up. As you can see, we are downhill level here. Even more downhill to level over here. And then of course, the last piece I always shoved to make it even go further, so that way everything is forced to build up over here in this corner. As you can see, it's over half, but it doesn't really matter because it's all solid. All the water's gonna come down here, build up. Got the mini dry well. Like I tell everybody all the time, drill 2 holes with a paddle bit, put rock underneath, filter cloth first, then some rock. Burrito wrap it over, and then you can put your extender riser up with the pop-up. That's how it's done. Now for the other side. All right, now we got back right downspout over here under the deck. I got everything going this way. We got the level over here. As you can see, we are downhill to level here. Come over here. Again, we are downhill to level, all the way over here to the corner, and then we have the downspout right there, going downhill extremely. Everything this T, and of course, as you see, we have a swift T, so that way all the water has a directional. So it's the directional T's right there. Everything keeps going. You don't have anything run into it and stop the water. Now to go on the other side of the fence. And here we go. We are on the other side of the fence, still on the right side of the house. There's the T connection and everything. As soon as you go on the other side of the fence, as you can see, we are still downhill to level. We keep it going all the way down here to where we have it 45 in. And over here, we are still downhill to level. 45 around this corner, which is where I always start making it shoot more drastic, so all the water can build up at the end of where the pop-up is. And as you can see, we're still halfway downhill to level. And for all those that don't like me putting the level on the side because they say it's going to give me a different reading, look, same thing. It's still way downhill to level. Over here to the next piece, right next to the pop-up, you see we're completely downhill to level, and you have the burrito wrap, mini dry well. That is how it's done. Now to backfill and show you how it works. All right, now on the back, we have where we're gonna be putting the little mini dry well. First thing you wanna do, obviously, make sure you drill a bunch of holes in the catch basin so they can flow through. Next thing, most important, is have your filter cloth. Put the filter cloth all the way in the hole, make sure it covers everywhere. this is exactly what you want to make sure that the mini dry well can last as long as possible. Then we're gonna start putting rock in there, and maybe a couple pieces of pipe to give it some extra little voids and stuff for the water to be able to sit and flow into the ground more. And this will be an easier access to drain back into the ground because we're through all the clay and really hard soil. So let's get it going. And there we go. After you put it all, make sure you put the filter cloth back over it all. Put a little bit of layered dirt on, put the sod back down, and here we go. I even have this going off. I put a 90 into it, but it's just going straight into the rock. Just an extra void to fill up. And then put your catch basin on. Voila, that's how you make a little mini dry well off the patio. Now to test it and show you how it works. And here we go. We will also use this bucket full of water to stimulate things a little faster. But when all the water builds up and decides to go, it'll all build up in this corner and it'll end up going straight into the catch basin, which then gives it the ability to build up into the ground and drain away. So that way you don't have water just sitting on your patio forever, becoming a mosquito breeding ground. Now for the next downspout. All right, and here we go. This is the back left of the house. Put it in the clean out there. Put all the grass back. Everything's gonna come down here. Where you see the water right now, as it's filling up the mini dry well. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna sit there and keep filling up the mini dry well, and then when that's finally full, it's gonna start building up to be able to facilitate over. So we'll cut back in when it's building up. And here we go. The water comes up. It'll build up. Got the riser on there. It's going to build up, facilitate out here, and drain back into the ground. But now it's away from the foundation, so it won't be going into its finished basement and damaging anything else. That is exactly how it's done. And here we go. This is the back right of the house. Put it into the furthest downspout. Have it go. All this water is going to come down, come around, go out here. This downspout is tied into it as well. And it's going to go all the way down here, all the way over to that pop-up. Let's go on the other side of the fence. And here we go. I'm on the other side of the fence. As you can see, the water is already over here, filling up the mini dry well. Now we just have to wait until it builds up and overflows. And there we go. The water just facilitates out, comes out, and drains. And as you can see, it's already starting to drain back in the ground since we just turned it off. So that's exactly how you run your downspouts out. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.